The TREZORO Ionic Salon hair dryer with 2,200 watts is a high-quality hair dryer that is designed to provide salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This hair dryer features ionic technology, which helps to reduce frizz and static, leaving your hair looking smooth and shiny. Additionally, the 2,200-watt motor provides powerful airflow, which allows for faster drying times and more efficient styling. One of the standout features of the TREZORO Ionic Salon hair dryer is its advanced ionic technology. This technology works by emitting negative ions, which help to break down water molecules on the surface of your hair, reducing frizz and static. As a result, your hair is left looking smooth, shiny, and healthy. The hair dryer also features a powerful 2,200-watt motor, which delivers strong and consistent airflow for faster drying times. This makes it ideal for those who have thick or curly hair that can be difficult to dry quickly. In addition to its advanced technology, the TREZORO Ionic Salon hair dryer is also designed with user comfort in mind. The dryer is lightweight and easy to handle, and features a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The dryer also features multiple heat and speed settings, allowing you to customize your drying and styling experience to meet your individual needs. Another benefit of the TREZORO Ionic Salon hair dryer is its durability. The dryer is constructed with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand regular use, making it a long-lasting investment for your hair care routine. Overall, the TREZORO Ionic Salon hair dryer with 2,200 watts is an excellent choice for anyone in the market for a high-quality hair dryer that delivers salon-quality results. With its advanced ionic technology, powerful motor, and user-friendly design, this hair dryer is a great investment for anyone who wants to achieve a smooth, shiny, and healthy-looking hair.